Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to track your eBay orders. Open eBay application on your device and then navigate to my eBay section that is located at the bottom side of your screen, and here select purchases. As you can see, unfortunately I don't have any purchases, but anyway I will guide you through the process, and if you listen to my instructions I'm sure that you can do it. Here will be the list with the items that you have purchased earlier. So find basically the item you want to track and tap on it to open the details of this purchase. If the tracking is available, you will see a tracking number or the button Track Package under the item. So tap on Track Package button to view real-time shipping updates, which include where the item currently is and its estimated delivery date. You can also tap on the item itself for more details like shipping carrier and past tracking updates. But for example, if your order hasn't shipped yet, it will say not yet shipped and show an expected shipping date instead. So everything in this basically tracking updates automatically, so you can come back to this section anytime to stay up to date with your delivery. So that's how you can track your eBay order. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.